All right, so what I'm going to show you in this video are two things. One is we've set up a custom email with Google Workspace, but you really want to continue using your @gmail.com account. Okay, so this is something common that I hear most agents saying. I just want to manage one inbox, but we want to use that custom email address that we've created with Workspace. So what we want to do is go into your regular Gmail account. So to figure that out, I've got that christy.creating@gmail.com. And then what I'm going to do is go to my settings. I'm going to click on See All Settings, and I'm going to go to Accounts and Import. All right. So you'll see here there is a Send Mail As option here. And then I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going to set it up from scratch here. So you see how Send Mail As, the default is my regular Gmail account. What I want to do is put my hello@christyramage.com account in here too. So then I can send mail from this without having to open the other inbox. All right. So add another email address. And I'm going to put the email address in here, hello@christyramage.com. All right. Now the next step, I need a password. Okay. So I do need to go to my Google Workspace account and create that password. So let's go here. So what you're going to do is type in myaccount.google.com, and you're going to make sure that this page says hello@christyramage.com, or whatever your custom email is. You can also check with your Google sign-in up here, hello@christyramage.com. Okay, so this is my paid Google Workspace account. So what I need to do is go and turn on the two-step authentication. So I'm going to click on security, and then I'm going to make sure that this is on. So two-step verification. Now, if this is not turned on, we need to make sure that we click on it and then follow the instructions to turn it on. Okay. Now, once we have it turned on, so it will likely get you to sign into your account and then send a text or some kind of, you need to tap that it's you. All right. So follow the instructions there. Now, once you've done that, when it says it's on, we're going to click on this. Okay. So once you click on it, you're going to scroll down until you see App Passwords. So this is where we're going to create the password that is going to be used for this little window that we just saw pop up in Gmail. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click on App Passwords. It says none, so I'm just going to click on this arrow. And then I'm going to call this my Gmail app. You can call it whatever you want. And this is the custom password. So I'm just going to go into this little window, paste it in. Now, 587 for the port is fine. You don't have to change anything else. TLS, recommended. This is the one we're going to keep. And then we're going to add account. All right. So don't save that password anywhere. You don't need it. It's going to live here in your Google Workspace account. Now, it says, congratulations, we've successfully located your other server. So what we want to do is just go to our Workspace email, the one that we just added. Let me just go in. Okay, Gmail team, confirmation. So just click on the confirm request link, which is this one here. Please confirm sending mail as, confirm. All right, that should, okay, success, confirmation success. So click here to return to Gmail. Allow, okay, so that's all good. Let's go back here. We're going to close that little window. Okay, allow, we're just going to go back. So Google Workspace is now set up. Now we're at our regular Gmail account. You can see here when I hover on the tab, it says christy.creating@gmail. Okay. So now here where it says send mail as, I have Christy Ramage right here. So what the second step we want to do, because we want to use our professional email that we've set up with our custom link, hello@christyramage. That's the email I want people to see as often as possible. So right now my @Gmail account is set as default. I'm actually going to make this one the default. Okay, so now that one's gray. That means that this is my default email. So when I go back, let's just go to my inbox. I'm going to hit compose. And you can see here at the top, I'm logged into christy.creating@gmail.com, but the from email is hello@christyramage.com. Now, if I wanted to change that for any reason, I now have multiple options here. Okay, so I can send from whichever email I want. All right. So if you ever change your Google password, you'll need to reset this password again. So just remember to follow that process to create that app password. Okay, so you're going to myaccount.google.com. You'll go to security and just make sure this two-step verification is on. Click on it and then check the app passwords down here. You'll notice that the app password will have disappeared. You'll just need to recreate that one if you do change your passwords. And this is in place for security reasons. Okay, so all right. If you have any questions, let me know, but this is how you do it. All right, see you in the next video.